Hey guys, Noah Luke here with MarineMax in St. Pete. Welcome back to another walkthrough video here again on board the 25 Boston Whaler Dauntless. So starting from the bow of the boat, we do have our trolling motor panel that's ready to rock if you are an avid fisherman and choose to have the trolling motor option ready there. We already have the batteries installed here for you, just simply at the trolling motor. So this is a little bit of a do-it-all boat, right? So a family hybrid. So you can fish on this boat, but it does have a lot of family features as well, like the bow failer cushion here, along with the backrest supports that you can pop up at any time. So if you're family cruising, pop the back up. If you're not cruising and you're fishing, simply put that down. You could take all of the padding off if you think the boat's going to get, blood, guts, and whatnot all over it. So right here we do have a big sun pad to lounge on. It does have some storage in there as well. This does lock in the chance that you're going maybe for some lunch and you need to lock some personal items in the boat. So there is the regular sound system on board this boat. This is a 2022 with about 100 hours on it. It's basically a brand new boat. So with limited stock on the Boston Whaler 25s, this is a good opportunity to get on the water fairly quickly. So with this boat does come with a custom Garmin screen as well as the Fusion sound system with manual gauges here. We do also have our rocker switches. You can add a second screen if you choose to. Just come on down to MarineMax. We can take care of that in-house here for you. We do also have a second live well station right here. Put this forward just a little bit more and you can see there is a massive live well here for the fishermen. Rod holders are everywhere on the boat. This, like I said, this is a fishing boat. So another live well here as well. Full of drinks. 300 Mercury V8 Verado on the back. 2 seats in the back for fishing if you're going to do some trolling or you're going to do some family cruising. There's a little bit of everything on this boat. I know I say it a lot, but this is a hybrid. It's a do-it-all boat. Beach boarding ladder in the back. Back her down to the sandbar, throw the front anchor, throw the stern anchor, hang out, have some drinks, relax, enjoy. Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless, right here located at MarineMax in St. Pete. We'll see you here soon. My name is Noah Luke. Come on down.